Nobody told me I'd feel like this at the start of my vegan journey. The tiredness, the cravings, the awkward mealtimes, and that creeping doubt. Am I actually doing this vegan lifestyle wrong? I thought going vegan was supposed to feel amazing, but instead I felt overwhelmed, and honestly a bit alone. That's why I made this channel. Not as an expert, but as someone who's been through it and didn't want to give up. This isn't a list of rules or a polished lifestyle reel. It's real life, real talk, and real help. Vegan Universe is like a vegan lounge, a quiet corner of the internet where you can breathe, reset, and just be yourself. So what will you find here? Imagine walking through a vegan shopping centre. Over here, product reviews you can actually trust. Next to that, comfort food swaps that really hit the spot. And of course, links to real shops where you can actually buy things. It's not about being perfect. It's about being understood, finding what helps, and doing what you can, your way. So, who actually is behind the Vegan Universe channel? My name's Brian, and I work in a warehouse. I'm not trying to be a famous YouTuber, and I don't show my face, because it's not about me. It's about the animals. This is Brian, and that's his best friend Harry. They are Team Vegan Universe. They make these videos in their spare time, hoping they'll help someone, the way I wish a channel like this had helped me. Vegan Universe is for anyone trying to live a cruelty-free life in a world that doesn't always make that easy. You care deeply for animals, and you're trying your best in a world that's not quite ready for it. And if you've ever said, I just need somewhere that understands me, this is that place. And if you're still watching, chances are, this already feels like your space. So stick around and join in with your own comments. You're in good company now. And if something here resonates, give the channel a like, hit subscribe if you want to see what's coming next. And if you've got a story to share, the comments are always open. So, welcome. Stay as long as you like. This place is made just for you.